Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the era of tech. Let me take this time for the excuse. We spent more times without a video, but today is another video. So excuse me. Today, remember last time I have seen the difference between the differences among the PLC, HMI, SCADAs, DCS. So today we are going to have a look on the PLC parts and even what PLC programming languages. So next time we'll take a look on we'll go deeper in the PLC programming languages, but today it's like an intro. Today let's start with the PLC parts. PLC parts. The first one is the power supply. The power supply module provides the necessary electrical power to all other components of the PLC. It often converts incoming power to lower voltage. The next part is the central processing unit or CPU. The CPU is the brain of the PLC, responsible for executing the user programmed logic. It processes inputs, performs calculations based on the program, and updates outputs. The third part is memory, RAM and the ROM. RAM is random access memory. RAM stores data that the PLC is currently using, such as input values, output values, and intermediate results. It is volatile, meaning that data is lost when the PLC loses power. And even in ROM, read-only memory, ROM stores PLC's operating system and the firmware, which are essential for the PLC to function. It is non-volatile, meaning that data is detained even when the power is off. The fourth part is the input-output module. Modules connect the PLC to external devices in the process being controlled. Input modules receives signals from sensors, switches, and other devices, providing the PLC with the information about the process. The output modules send the control signal to actuators, motors, and the other devices, allowing the PLC to influence the process. So, I think those are the parts of the PLC. Let me remind you that next time we will learn about the types of PLC programming languages, You remember it is ladder diagram, functional block diagram, structured text, instruction list, and even what special function chart. So we will go deep through those types of PLC programming languages. After going deep, it means we will learn the differences. So after learning the differences, we will learn the PLC programming softwares, and after learning the PLC programming software, it means we will learn the PLC programming softwares with installing, with programming. So I want you to stay here. So thank you for watching.